Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to write 1, 2, 3 in a proper way. If you follow me, you will be able to write 1, 2, 3 easily. So let's start it. Write 2 like me and then start writing 1, 2, 3. Draw a circle and this is 0. Draw a standing line, one slanting line and a sleeping line, and this is 1. Draw a curve and then turn it to the down and a sleeping line, this is 2. Draw a small curve and a big curve and touch the line, and this is 3. One slanting line, one sleeping line and a standing line, and this is 4. One sleeping line, one standing line and a curve, and this is 5. Draw a curve and then draw a small circle, and this is 6. Draw a sleeping line and one slanting line and a sleeping line, and this is 7. Draw a curve shape and join two heads, and this is 8. Draw a small circle and then turn it to the down, and this is 9. Now you can write 10. One standing line, one slanting line and a sleeping line, and draw a circle, and this is 10. Now you know how to write a 1 to 10. Let's repeat and write 11 to 20. 1, 1, 11. 1 and 2 is 12. 1 and 3, and this is 13. 1 and 4, 14. 'Let's write T and O, 2. 1 and 5, and this is 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. Again write T and O, 2, and let's write 2 and 0, 20. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.